welcome back to the channel. Today is another day of Vlogmas, and yes, I am shamelessly double filming because 25 videos in 25 days is a lot, and I happen to have some extra time today and my Ipsy box. So I figured why not go ahead and film this one too. Okay, I just filmed another unboxing. I'll leave that linked here. If it's up already, it might not be. I'm pretty sure it will be actually. I'll leave it linked up here. It was a disaster, so I'm really hoping that Ipsy comes through. I did not film an Ipsy unboxing last month because I ran out of time, like legitimately ran out of time. I'm pretty sure I posted something about it on my Instagram, but last month at the end of the month when I normally do my unboxing stuff, my computer crashed and I lost a whole bunch of footage. It was a nightmare. It was such a nightmare. Oh my goodness. And then my phone started acting weird. I ended up having to order a new phone. I'm still waiting on a new phone, so let's hope that nothing happens now with like pictures and stuff like that. It's been like right before Vlogmas. Can you believe it? Anyways, we're unboxing Ipsy today. The December 2021 Ipsy. This is gifted to me. Thank you, Ipsy. Appreciate that. This is the Ipsy Glam Bag and the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. I have not looked at these. Very interested to see because I feel like, in my personal opinion, okay, and I don't know if anybody else agrees with me on this, I always feel like December, because it is like the holiday month, should be bigger. Like it should be the best month of subscription boxes. I don't know if I'm crazy or not. But I will be leaving links to all the products down below, as well as links to Ipsy for the Glam Bag and the Glam Bag Plus and pricing information and whatnot. Yes, I think that's it. Okay, we're gonna jump in because Mama needs some good news. I need something good here. So I will also leave timestamps down below as to when I start the Glam Bag unboxing and the Glam Bag Plus unboxing, in case you only want to see one. I have my information pamphlet though. The theme this month is Time to Shine. Sparkling, shimmering, totally unforgettable. This month, wrap yourself in silver and gold beauty looks, get your skin glowing, and share your light inside and out with the one you love. Oh, that's cute. And I like this. This like theme thing that they have going on here. I like that. That's really cute. Okay, that gives me hope here. Oh, the bags are so cute this month. Let's start with the Glam Bag. Now there's a couple of things that won't fit in the bag itself, so they put them on the outside, which I am cool with. The Glam Bag is $13 a month. You get 5 personalized deluxe size beauty samples worth over $50, set in a cute makeup bag, and you get to pick one product yourself. Because this is gifted to me, I don't get to pick any of my products, but Ipsy does normally do a pretty good job at picking them. The bag this month is actually really cute. I like this. It's like, it's so textured, which I really like, and it's almost like this, it feels almost like pebbles, but like it's confetti, right? That's what it's supposed to be. It's got a cute little round gold pull. The inside of that is so soft. Okay, it's a cute bag. I like this bag. I actually like, this is one of those bags that like I would save and reuse again because it's super adorable. So let's talk about the stuff that couldn't fit on the inside of it first. We have 2 face masks from the Creme shop. The Creme shop I can use because they do not test on animals, which is nice. It's really difficult to find sheet masks. I'm not currently like purchasing sheet masks, but when I get them in subscription boxes, I will use them. And right now I'm doing a Project Pan on Instagram, trying to use up all of my sheet masks. So, my God. We have the Baby It's Cold Outside 24 karat gold and collagen firming and moisturizing essence sheet mask. And 'Tis the Season to Be Lovely, Collagen and Squalene, Youth Promoting, Collagen Boosting, and Hydrating Essence Sheet Mask. Those sound wonderful. Oh, I love fun sheet masks, you guys. I don't like the waste associated, but I love sheet masks. Like, oh, they're so much fun. So now let's go ahead and see what is in the bag itself. The first product is in bubble wrap and plastic wrap. Okay, you know, I'm a little irritated from the last unboxing. And so I could get irritated at this. Why you got it wrapped up so much? But I appreciate it because it's protected. So kudos Ipsy for protecting my stuff. This is the Oriza Beauty Royalty Shimmer Eyeshadow Palette. Ooh, it's really cute. I like this. My only thing, I don't really go for these little teensy tiny palettes because I never reach for them in my collection, so I don't want to swatch it, but it's really pretty and I feel like you could make really pretty looks out of this. I like the concept. This probably will end up getting passed along just because these teensy tiny itty bitty little palettes are not for me. I never reach for them, but I like that. That's really pretty. And this is cruelty free in case you were curious. Okay. The next product, I was gonna say the second, but I guess it would be the third, right? is, ooh, the Tarte C Surfer Curl Mascara. This is the Voluminizing Mascara. I have a full size of this. Have I used it? I don't know. But I like, well, okay, that one like OG Tarte mascara that everyone likes, Lights Camera Lashes. I don't like that. It doesn't do anything for my lashes. I have tried other mascaras from them that I like though. And so I have the full size. I've been meaning to try it because I'm curious about it. So that's cool. Because sometimes, again, I don't know if this is just me, but sometimes the minis I feel like work better than the full sizes. So I'm really happy to be able to like compare the two. So cool, like it. The next product in here is the Benefit Porefessional Hydrating Face Primer to minimize look of pores. Benefit is not cruelty-free, unfortunately, which sucks because before I went cruelty-free, they were one of my favorite makeup brands. This is this is 0.1 fluid ounces. This is super teeny tiny. I will be passing this along because it is not a cruelty-free brand, but it's a cute little baby. The last product in here is the Terra de Mars Variance Eye Contour. So this brand is cruelty-free. It's a cute little eye cream sample. I can get on board with that. Eye contour. Ooh, it feels really nice on the skin though. Okay, I'm excited about that. That seems like it's okay. Ooh, okay, as it sinks into the skin, that almost turns to like a silky feeling. All right, I'm excited about that. I'm excited to try that. So all in all, we have one non-cruelty-free product, one product that is just not for me, and then 4 products that yes, 100% absolutely, because these, it's 2 different sheet masks. All in all, a good bag. I like this. I would definitely pay $13 for this. I think that's a good deal. So let's move on to talking about the Glam Bag Plus. The Glam Bag Plus is $28 a month. You get 5 full-size personalized beauty products, and you get to pick 3 out of the 5. Again, because this was gifted to me, I did not get to pick, but let's see how well Ipsy did. The bag is adorable. The Glam Bag Pluses come in these drawstring bags. Obviously, something is sticking out of the top there. I'm very curious, but they come in these adorable drawstring bags. I love them. This is the cutest pattern. It's like this beautiful kind of blushy pink with stars all over it. It's so cute. Okay, first product in here. We have, I don't know why that was so aggressive. Though I apologize. The first product in here, this is from Belle and Argent, and it's brushes. You guys know how much I love some good brushes. Ooh. Those are so soft. Okay, so we have the Leading Lady Powder Bronze and Buff Brush. I was just actually thinking that I need to find more of my bronzer brushes that look like this, that are like big and fluffy and tall. I was just thinking about that, so perfect timing. And then this is the Spotlight Blush and Highlight Brush. Ooh, they're so soft. Oh my goodness. Yes, okay. Easy win on that one. The next product in here, this is from Dragun Beauty. Dragon Wing Liquid Eyeliner. Where have I heard of Dragun Beauty from before? This is like an influencer brand, isn't it? Am I crazy? This is in the shade Blackout. Oh, cute packaging. I like that. Ooh. It's a nice, like, kind of felt pin tip brush. And the eyeliner itself, okay, yeah, the eyeliner itself is pretty opaque. I'm intrigued. I know I've heard this name somewhere before. We'll give it a try. I'm intrigued. We'll see how it goes. Next up, oh, that's cute. This is from Inc.redible, the Crystal Ball Roller Gloss Duo. Those are so cute. So they have, okay, so these are little roller glosses. First of all, I love the callback to the 90s. I love the little throwback there. Second of all, they have little crystals floating around inside. Does that do something? I don't know. Okay, I like the rollerball in this. My biggest issue with rollerball glosses was always that the rollerball was like really messed up and it wouldn't go on right. Oh, that glides on. I'm getting my lipstick all over it. That's okay. I'm wearing a matte liquid lip, so I'm assuming it's not showing up the greatest because I rubbed it on a matte liquid lip, but that's okay. Okay, it actually still showed up pretty good though. Those are adorable. I love those. Do they have a scent to them? I should have used the purple one. Okay, that doesn't have a scent. That doesn't have a scent. So this says Find Love and this says Heal Yourself. Those are cute. I like those. Those are really cute. That's okay. I like this bag a lot so far. Next, I can't get out of the bag. Oh, this is Verb. This is Verb. I love Verb hair care products. This is the Ghost Prep Weightless Moisture, Heat Protection, and Frizz Control. So it primes fine hair for weightless styling, formulated to moisturize, detangle, and protect from heat. Moringa oil infuses the hair shaft with essential nutrients that naturally smooth frizz and promote radiant shine for all hair types. So blend a small amount into hands and apply evenly through damp hairstyle as usual. Yes. Oh my goodness. This just made the box read. If you have not tried the Verb Ghost Oil, you need to try it. It is my favorite hair oil ever in existence of everything. I love it so much. Oh, I cannot wait to try that. And then the last product in here, oh, this is the Kate Somerville Exfoliate Glow Moisturizer. It has lactic and hyaluronic acid in it. I have used these before, actually. It's a pretty good moisturizer. I like it. I have no complaints. And this is a full size. This is a pricey moisturizer, so that's a good deal. I don't want to open it, actually, because I have some moisturizers that I need to use up first. But this is a good moisturizer. I like it. I don't think it's like a new product. It's a, I don't know if I'd call it like an old product, but it's been around for a while. So it's a good one though. I think this bag was great. Okay, we got 2 brushes, we got 2 crystal lip glosses, we got a moisturizer, a hair product, and a liquid liner. I'm happy with that. Like, I think that is fabulous. So let me know down below if you guys got any of the same stuff in your Ipsy bags, and what you guys think. Are you happy with it? I like the Glam Bag, but I really like the Glam Bag Plus. Like, this was the clear winner for me this month. Amazing products from good brands that I like. And ironically, I actually am using an Inc.redible lip gloss. It's not really my shade. Like, it's a little too, I don't know if it's like cool toned or what, but it just doesn't look quite right on my skin tone. But like the formula is really good, and so I want to get it in other shades. And that's the company that makes the lip glosses. You know, okay. So like these brands, I know these brands. I like that. That makes me happy. Good month. That was a good month. Happy December, you guys. I will have my multi-box unboxing so long as my computer doesn't crash. Knock on some wood there. Coming up soon. I'm excited to see what else subscription boxes have in store for us in this wonderful month of December. So again, let me know down below in the comments what you guys got in your Ipsy bags. I think that they were definitely worth it this month. They were also good last month. Like I said, unfortunately, I just had a lot of major issues with my camera footage and my pictures on my phone, and everything just kind of merged and blew up all at the exact same time. So let me know down below. Make sure you guys do a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and make sure you hit the bigger subscribe button below me if you'd like to see more of me. And I will catch you guys next time. Have a great one. Goodbye.